Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn the prepositions in your HSC 11th standard textbook. This video can be watched by either students of 11th standard or anyone willing to learn the prepositions. Now, what do you mean by prepositions? Prepositions mean the words which show you the position of the subject or noun in the sentence. These are the words that express the relation between two nouns or pronouns. The position where something is kept, where someone is, or the location of something, this is denoted by the means of prepositions. We'll move on to the table first. Repeat after me, you are going to have to memorize the prepositions. A means to or at. Avec means with. Devant in front of. Avant before. Sur on. We'll repeat the first column again. A means to or at. Avec means with. Devant means in front of. Avant means before. And sur means on. Once again, a means to or at. Avec means with. Devant means in front of. Avant means before. Sur means on. Moving on to the next column. The means of or from. The means of or from. Sans means without. Sans means without. Derrière means behind. Derrière means behind. Après means after. Après means after. Sous means under. Sous means under. Okay, we'll repeat this column once again. The means of or from. The means of or from. Sans means without. Sans means without. Derrière means behind. Derrière means behind. Après means after. Après means after. Sous means under. Sous means under. The third column. Dans means in. Dans means in. Pour means for. Pour means for. Entre means between. Entre means between. Sauf means except. Sauf means except. Chez means at the place of. When I say at the place of my teacher, I went to my teacher's place, I went to my aunt's place. So I would say I went to my aunt's place using chez. Okay, at someone's place. We'll repeat this column once again. Dans means in. Dans means in. Pour means for. Pour means for. Entre means between. Entre means between. Sauf means except. Sauf means except. And chez means at the place of. Chez means at the place of. Try to remember this pronoun preposition. All of these are evident. Chez is something new to us which is not equivalent in English. Chez means at someone's place. Now we'll look on to the examples. Les étudiants sont dans la cour. The students are in the courtyard. So in means dans. Then la calculatrice is sur la table. The calculator is on the table. The calculator is on the table. Then the third one. Le stylo is sous le cahier. The pen is under the notebook. Sous means under. Maya est de l'île Maurice. Maya is from Mauritius. The has two meanings. Of or from. Here, from is more apt. So we'll translate it as from. I hope you're through with this, with these prepositions and how they are pronounced. Now you have to memorize it. You'll have to repeat it column by column once again, and then solve this text. Then solve this exercise. Okay. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.